Here we go, the main event. Welcome, beloved friends and family, to the joyous union of Maisie Bentz and Michael Knight.
From sleepovers in the barn, to watching 40s musicals, to mucking stalls, this place has always had a way of cultivating your individuality and encouraging a curious mind. Maisie has carried that magic all throughout her life. There are so many things that make Maisie unique. Her zest, her passion, her obsession with the most specific things. Maisie, you've known from a young age what you like and who you are. Something that so many of us are taught to tuck away and unlearn. And then we met Hotsy, this suave and chivalrous man.
Oh!
And he treated you like a queen. And every time he opened his home to all of us, taking over his space, I could see why you loved it.
In color.
Pimp my ride.
Marquette and Milwaukee gave Hots a lot, including the chance to meet our beautiful bride, Maisie. When you see your brother with the same person more and more frequently, you begin to notice how her being around becomes so effortlessly enjoyable.
Should I turn around?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You like it?
Yes. Wow.
Do you
Not
like
what I expected. Holy moly. It's fantastic.
You look good?
Thank you.
Isn't it so exciting?
This like doesn't seem real.
Oh,
No, I know, but the ball's hitting the barn. Are you using this?
said I don't know.
But if you know Hots, you know he was famously tight-lipped about the details of his love life. And lo and behold, one day I get a picture from my mom with these two smiling, ring on your finger. You didn't even tell me. Your best man, your officiant, that you were gonna ask Maisie to marry you. I don't think you told anyone but Mom. The least tight-lipped person in the crowd.
Before we were even engaged, my mom said, Maisie, what if one day when you get married, you thought about having it on the farm? And that chance, Mom, that's never gonna happen. And here we are.
Having you guys here to see the farm, you know, help out and move stuff around, like that kind of community feel where everyone's working together to get it all set up has been special to me, at least. So, you happy to be here, baby. Yeah, man.
And I haven't felt, oh, I haven't felt like this for a long, long time. You've got me running in circles.
May you always walk in gladness through whatever path or highway. May you always walk in the golden circle of your love.
I cannot promise you a life of sunshine. I cannot promise riches, wealth, or gold. I cannot promise you an easy pathway that leads away from change or growing old. But I can promise all my heart's devotion, a smile to chase away your tears of sorrow, a love that's ever true and ever growing, a hand to hold in yours through each tomorrow.
We are going to be getting ready for the ceremony, which is going to be in the front of the yard. We have a little ring warming ceremony. You're all going to touch it and give us some well wishes and, you know, spread your love. All right. Thank you.
a surprise. I did a dress change. I'm giddy. I feel giddy. I can't wait to see their reactions. And Hotsy's.
Please rise in any way you are able.
I have no idea. I can surprise them.
Did anyone see that coming? We gather here today to celebrate the union of Maisie Bentz and Michael Knight, surrounded by the warmth of their family and friends. As we embark on this joyous occasion, let us take a moment to honor the memory of those who are no longer with us, especially Danny Knight, mine and Hots' beloved father. Danny's spirit and love undoubtedly grace this gathering, and his presence is felt deeply in our hearts. Today, Maisie and Michael stand before us, ready to embark on their journey together, carrying forward the love and legacy bestowed upon them by their cherished loved ones.
Maisie, standing here today, I am filled with gratitude and admiration for the way you bring warmth and mindfulness to every moment we share. Your thoughtfulness to even the smallest details has transformed our everyday life into something truly beautiful. You remind me that love lives in the details and that shared moments, however small, build the essence of a life well lived.
Hotsy, I am filled with wonder for the endless energy and genuine kindness you bring into every day. Your unrelenting positivity and excitement for life inspire me to see the magic in the ordinary. I'm constantly in awe of how you balance a grounded, practical approach to life with the ability to find joy even in the smallest details. Your selflessness reminds me just how rare and beautiful it is to love someone who cares so deeply. Your patience and kindness, the way you effortlessly draw me back into the present and remind me of all that we have taught me the importance of embracing calm and finding peace in our everyday rush. You continue to show me that even the dullest day can be transformed into a celebration.
As I stand before you, I vow to continuously honor and support you in every step of our journey. I promise to always be open to any adventure that lies ahead and to stand by your side through every obstacle we encounter. I promise to keep our love growing, nourishing it with the quirky and heartfelt moments, whether it's evenings with deviled eggs and pink-colored cocktails, unexpected surprise dates, or the simple act of listening to you, even when you talk in your sleep. I promise to trust your vision, recognizing that your brilliant mind and care for every detail are integral parts of who we are as a team. As we look forward to exploring new destinations beyond the familiar and making each new space a canvas for our dreams, I commit to a life where every challenge is met with shared strength and every success celebrated with gratitude. Today and always, I dedicate my heart, my energy, and my unwavering commitment to the incredible future we are beginning together. Love you.
Today, I promise to be a partner who matches your infectious energy and unwavering optimism. I promise to always be there for you, supporting your dreams, encouraging you to keep striving for growth, and walking beside you through every challenge. I promise to meet your brightness with my own, and to sometimes cook so you can catch a moment of rest from your tireless efforts to always keep me fed and happy. I promise to be patient when you do something differently than I had planned in my head but never told you out loud. I promise to love you every single day, relentlessly and without reservation. I pledge to care for you as fiercely as you care for everyone in your orbit, celebrating both the grand milestones and the small, quiet moments that define our love. I promise to honor the lessons we've learned from our families, the values of patience, kindness, discipline, and hard work. With every breath, I aspire to nurture the light you radiate, making sure that every day, no matter the circumstance, is infused with warmth, light, and shared joy. How lucky I feel that you asked me to be yours, now and always. I love you more than the whole sky. And I can't wait to see where life takes us.
Do you, Michael Knight, take Maisie Bentz to be your lawfully wedded wife, your constant companion and partner through all adventures and challenges in the shared life ahead of you? Do you promise to maintain and strengthen this commitment in plenty and in want, in joy and in sorrow, in sickness and in health, from this day forward?
I do.
Do you, Maisie Bentz, take Michael Knight to be your lawfully wedded husband, your constant companion and partner through all the adventures and challenges in the shared life ahead of you? Do you promise to maintain and strengthen this commitment in plenty and in want, in joy and in sorrow, in sickness and in health, from this day forward?
I do.
Do you who are present here today vow to surround Maisie Bentz and Michael Knight in love, to contribute to this new community and to support them in their marriage? Now for the first time, as husband and wife, Maisie and Hotsy.
Dance. I want to dance with my husband.
Dancing with my wife. Wow. Crazy. The first time I said it.
It is. Oh my God.
So we just want to say thank you for coming on this adventure to spend the day with us. Every single person here means so much to us, and we love you. So cheers to you.
Us two brothers staring down the toughest day together galvanize our relationship forever. You're my best friend, you're my rock. Your quiet strength kept me sane during that time, and I hope you can do the same for Maisie moving forward. Dad would be extremely proud of the man you become. He would have adored you, Maisie, and he would have had a ball here today. My mom believes number 316, our childhood home address, is how my dad sends little messages to us. When we checked into the hotel, the front desk clerk handed us keys to our room 316. So I can confidently say Dad wanted to make sure he was included in this address, that he says hello, that he loves you both. And now I think he's telling me to finish up so he can go refill his maker mark, and I can finally go have one myself.
Having her by my side for the last 27 years, Maisie has proven through every season and change in our lives that her love stands the test of time. Hotsy, she will love you if you change your mind and decide to go by Michael. She'll love you as you continue to grow into yourself and as you grow old. And I have no doubt that you will return that affection tenfold and love and cherish her through it all. Let's all raise our glasses and have a magical night celebrating on the Bent's farm. To Maisie and Hotsy.
My mom and dad, thank you so much. Okay, well, I'm gonna spill your secrets, but y'all, the yard does not always look this good, okay?
Of course, John and Jean, this would not have happened if you two weren't the way that you are. So thank you again so much. Just a big round of applause.
Sue and Pat, thank you for everything, for all of your help and your contributions and the beautiful events leading up to today.
And just so I don't forget, Mom, I love you.
My name's Drew, and this is my first drink. Hotsy. Oh, come on. How you feeling?
Great.
Yeah?
Ready to roll.
Ready to roll?
7 p.m.
Let's go, baby. Let's do it. It's time.
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
I'm squashed back here.
Yo, what's up?
Are you moving out here, Hots?
Hell no.
I was like, I want to do this for weddings, and now I'm doing this, and like, maybe I don't want to do this for weddings. I'm not this creative.
Mike, is your hand cramping up? Yeah, it was fun getting lifted in the bucket. Oh, you went up in the bucket to put the sign up? Yeah, not to put the sign up, to put the curtains up. It's kind of rocky. It is rocky. I think John is like perfect at getting you right to the the right spot.
I can't wait. It's gonna be so fun having everybody here, seeing Hots all dressed up. Just so excited.
My nicer suit that I got, I think it ran me like $400 after everything's said and done. So and that was like.
I went back and forth about if she was gonna have like a blush dress, but if Melissa was wearing pink, I was like, she's not a pink dress. I feel like there's gotta be like some heavy tailing, like
There's gonna be bigger.
right.
We want Maisie! We want Maisie! Oh! Oh my God!
Okay, guys.
The hair, I was
Yeah.
I love it.
So,
What did you guys say though, actually?
we were all over it.
When I entered preschool, my mom was concerned about me being in Maisie's class. She was worried my sweet, impressionable mind wouldn't hold up to the force of Maisie. She had a reputation around the daycare, and she didn't want me to end up like her, a biter. It's okay, Hots. I think she grew out of it.
You're like, I asked you like 2 days ago, what is the barn for? Because it was red and old, and you lied to me straight up yesterday or 2 days ago. Are you using this? Are we using this?
I don't know. Do you like it?
I got the planter on here to act as like an obstacle.
Then I feel like it's less windy over here, so they get to see.
Yes, babe. Yes. Woo-hoo. Oh no.
What?
How do I look? Getting the angles. Oh no!
And what are you wearing today?
Oh, I'm wearing LaTour. Wait, we're doing the interview.
Groom's been going wild.
Just, National Marquette Days, chalking it up. You always hear Mike's patent laugh, and you always hear Casey. That's right. He's always having a good time. They're always letting us sleep over. I don't know if I'm not allowed to sleep over. But yeah, we're already having a great time together. Hell yeah. I'm not allowed to sleep over anymore.
The summer where we just basically came home and just watched movies every single night was awesome. We had the dual couch setup where we had like stadium seating.
Yeah,
it was
dual
sick.
couch stadium seating. Bears win the Super Bowl. They go, I'm going 15-2 regular season, and then we take it all the way. That's what I'm saying. You heard it here first.
You two already faced the incredibly difficult task of being Marquette fans during the Coach Wojciechowski era. You can overcome anything. And let the record show, lastly, I hope you guys witness a Marquette National Championship in your lifetimes.
Married.
Okay, and how do we feel about it?
Amazing.
My wife.
To my husband. How fun is that? I love you, and I just want to say thank you for going all in on having our wedding in a place that means so much to me. I love you, and you're really cute. And